in a 9-0 unanimous decision. The U.S. Supreme Court significantly limited the scope of the Clean Water Act as well as the EPA, and in so doing, they limited the federal government's ability to dictate what you and I can or cannot do on our own properties. Now, to start with, imagine this scenario. You purchase a vacant lot of land near a beautiful lake in the state of Idaho with the intention of building a home for you and your family. You then hire a company to start backfilling this empty lot with dirt in order to prepare the foundation on which you'll actually be building your home. However, once you start this process, agents of the EPA suddenly show up on your property during construction and they tell you that you cannot build a home there because your property contains a wetland. The so-called wetland takes the form of a drainage ditch, which eventually feeds into a creek, which then eventually feeds into a local lake. The EPA tells you that you have to restore the site to its previous condition, and if you don't comply, they will hit you with penalties of up to $40,000 per day. As crazy as that scenario sounds, it's exactly what happened back in the year 2007 to the Sackett family over in the state of Idaho. However, what the EPA didn't expect was that this episode, it wound up serving as a catalyst, which then kicked off a chain of events, which eventually saw this family's case go before the U.S. Supreme Court not once, but twice.